Hey guys, just want to jump on and cover GBPJPY just to explain it in video format so you guys can get a better understanding of how I look at taking entries and where I jump in. So I do, post some setups and probably have a few people follow me. And as soon as price gets in that area, they get excited. That's not the case for me. It's about being patient and waiting for the trade. So we're not seeing any signs just of as of yet. We've seen one little rejection out of the zone, but price is looking quite strong. So we need to wait for that bearish momentum to step in and confirm that we are going to reverse from this area. This would be a perfect setup. Sometimes even the best setups can fail, so we need to wait for the best confirmation. So what I do sometimes is we'll drop through the time frames and have a look if you want to get the best entry you can. I go down to the 15 minute and 1 hour. So looking at price action right now, we can compare it to what's happened in the past. So my favorite move is this right shoulder. So if we look and if we can see price push down and come back up, make a right shoulder, exactly like this move here, I can look for entry off that right shoulder move. But for now, we're seeing price push straight through, so there's no entry just yet. Like I always say, there's always one or more than one opportunity to get into the market. So even if you do miss a quick drop, you can always wait for the second little retracement move that will pop up, and then you can take entry from there. So, let's say price drops pretty fast. There's usually always a second little push up, and that's when you can get on to the next position. But for now, just wait, be patient, and I'm going to wait probably for another 3 hours, I'd say, as price, it's pushing straight through.